Well, hey everyone, Dr. Young here. Just want to give you a brief overview of what you can expect at Newcomer Welcome Night. So I'm going to walk through a few of the logistics and kind of what our expectation is of you. First of all, we really appreciate your time and your support. This is a really scary thing for a lot of these students. Some of them are coming from Mundelein, some of them are coming from overseas. So you being a friendly face, both for the parents, sometimes the younger siblings, but especially the kid coming here is really, really important. So thank you. As a reminder, it starts at 7. We'd like you here between 6:30 and 6:40. There's about 23 of you that have signed up, and we have about 35 families. So some of you might get paired up with a couple of students. That's okay. You're going to meet us outside the ARC and LMC, and we will then get you into the right room. Our Spanish-speaking session is going to be in the ARC, and our English-speaking session is going to be in the LMC. You're going to wear a Cougar t-shirt. So obviously wear something that's Vernon Hills related for your shirt, and then appropriate dress code related bottoms. So if you want to wear jeans or shorts, that's fine. Just follow, remember you're representing the school in this leadership capacity. So you will arrive, go there, you'll check in. It's going to be a little ad hoc, meaning it's just going to be a little, I'll behind the scenes say who you're attached to, but you need to be ready to shift. If your family ends up not coming or families end up not coming, we will either say, hey, do you want to go join another group, or you can go home. Please be flexible. Just the whole night's being flexible. Again, your primary responsibility is the welcoming part of our mission and just making sure that that family feels like Vernon Hills is going to be their home, especially that student. So it's lots of small talk. It's engaging them with constant questions and trying to get to know them. So even if you're an introvert like me, this is one of those nights where you've got to turn it on and you've got to keep talking. Even if times you're asking the parents, what questions do they have? What types of things would they like to maybe go see on the tour or as you walk the schedule if the family opts to do that after? So again, engage as much as possible before, and then you can answer any of their questions after. I'll start around 7, and we'll only go for about 30 minutes. So the tour or walking the schedule, if a family would like to do that afterwards, will start about 7:30. On the schedule, of course, they might have come to orientation earlier prior to this meeting if it happened prior, but you never know, and maybe the parents want to see the school again. Some of these families have never had a tour or been through the building, so you're welcome to do that. The first day of school, which is coming quickly, the first day of school, we have an additional ask. That's a terrifying experience for a lot of kids, but especially new kids. And so one of our asks is if you would invite that student to the West Gym between 8:15 and 8:30 on the first day of school and just be with them. Answer their questions, hang out with them. Make sure they had breakfast. Get them to the cafeteria if you need to. Most importantly, you're going to get them to their first period class. You're going to introduce them to their first period teacher. If you don't know their first period teacher, that's okay. You're going to introduce yourself to their teacher, and then you're going to introduce the student. And of course, bonus points if you take that beyond then. Are you checking in with the kid? Should you have a common lunch period or a study hall? Are you checking in with that student after school or the next morning? Be a friendly face, no matter if it's not a student that you would otherwise normally hang out with, but be that friendly face. Every family will have a folder when they arrive that you can go through some of the things with. You'll notice some of them if you're an orientation leader. We also have a football ticket, for example, for the first home football game if they want to come to that and just kind of get intertwined with our school culture. But be that welcoming and kind voice. So you can go through those materials in their folder. Again, when I'm done, I'll see if there's any questions, and then you can go on the schedule, or you can either walk their schedule or do a quick building tour, and then you will be free to go. Again, I've already mentioned this, but just a reminder that first day of school, our ask is for you to meet them in the West Gym. If they don't show, we'll get you out of there. I know it's an exciting day for you as well, and you want to hang out with your friends. So we appreciate you considering doing that. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to ask Ms. McKiernan or Ms. Rolick or anyone else that might be there helping you check in, or of course myself. And again, we really, really appreciate you. If there's any kind of weird questions, bring them certainly to my attention or another staff members. Thank you.